Hello, in this video I want to show you how to silence ringtones on NOKIA X30. And to do this, you can click on the volume key in any direction. Here you can use this mute function to silence all of the sounds from this phone by pressing on the bell icon with a line drawn through it. That way you won't have any sounds on your phone. But in case you want to mute only ringtones, you can click on this more settings right there, and here's a ring and notification volume, which needs to be set to 0, and others can stay high, and that way you should receive any other sounds. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.